Are you struggling with dead inventory and don't know where to find customers? Don't worry, I can help you find customers for your dead inventory. So, today I will cover the following topics. Topic number 1, how to deal with dead inventory effectively. Topic number 2, 4 mindsets that stop you from managing dead inventory. Topic number 3, truth about dead inventory management that nobody tells you. Topic number 4, 5 tips to manage dead inventory efficiently. Topic number 5, 3 things to follow when you are dealing with dead inventory. Topic number 6, 4 mistakes to avoid when managing dead inventory. Topic number 7, myths about dead inventory management that you need to know. Topic number 8, secrets about inventory management that will help you reduce dead stock. Topic number 9, 5 zero budget strategies to clear dead inventory. Topic number 10, 3-step process to manage and reduce dead inventory. Topic number 11, 10 free tools for managing dead inventory. Topic number 12, beginner's guide to handling dead inventory. Now let's come to the topic number 1, how to deal with dead inventory effectively. First of all, identify dead inventory. Point number 1. Point number 2, analyze the causes like overestimating demand, changing customer preferences, discontinued or outdated products, damaged or defective items, seasonal products out of season. Point number 3, develop a clearance strategy. Set realistic pricing, create a sense of urgency, promote your clearance items. Point number 4, liquidate unsold items. Point number 5, prevent future dead inventory. Conducting regular inventory audits, forecasting demand accurately, diversifying your product mix, regularly reviewing and updating your inventory policies. Topic number 2, 4 mindsets that stop you from managing dead inventory. Mindset number 1, it might sell. Mindset number 2, I paid good money for these. Mindset number 3, I don't have time for this. Mindset number 4, I don't know how to handle this. Topic number 3, truth about dead inventory management in the electronic industry that nobody tells you. Truth number 1, dead inventory is a costly reality. Truth number 2, prevention is key. Truth number 3, hidden cost of dead inventory. Truth number 4, impact on customer satisfaction. Truth number 5, inventory management software is essential. Truth number 6, opportunity costs of dead inventory. Truth number 7, collaboration with suppliers. Now come to the topic number 4, 5 tips to manage dead inventory efficiently. Tip number 1, regularly review inventory levels. Tip number 2, forecast demand accurately. Tip number 3, implement just-in-time inventory management. Tip number 4, offer special promotions or bundles. Tip number 5, explore recycling or repurposing options. Now topic number 5, 3 things to follow when dealing with dead inventory. Thing number 1, regularly review and update inventory. Thing number 2, implement a clearance strategy. Thing number 3, diversifying your sales channels. Topic number 6, 4 mistakes to avoid when managing dead inventory. Mistake number 1, neglecting regular inventory audits. Mistake number 2, failing to forecast demand accurately. Mistake number 3, ignoring product life cycle management. Mistake number 4, overlooking just-in-time inventory management. Now, topic number 7, myths about dead inventory management that you need to know. Myth number 1, dead inventory is just a cost of doing business. Myth number 2, dead inventory is unavoidable. Myth number 3, liquidating dead inventory is the only solution. Myth number 4, dead inventory is not a priority. Myth number 5, dead inventory is a sign of failure, but this is not true. Now come to the topic number 8, secrets about inventory management that will help you reduce dead stock. Secrets of inventory management. Secret number 1, conduct regular inventory audits. Secret number 2, implement a first in first out system, it's called FIFO system. Secret number 3, use economic order quantity calculations. Secret number 4, monitor demand and supply. Secret number 5, use technology to your advantage. Secret number 6, implement a just-in-time system. Secret number 7, consider drop shipping. Secret number 8, develop a clear return policy. Secret number 9, use data analytics. Secret number 10, stay flexible. Now, topic number 9, 5 budget strategies to clear dead inventory in electronic components and connectors industry. Strategy number 1, bundle deals and promotions. Strategy number 2, cross promotions with complementary products. Strategy number 3, targeted email campaigns. Strategy number 4, collaborate with partners or resellers. And last strategy, strategy number 5, host virtual clearance sales or auctions. Topic number 10, 3-step process to manage and reduce dead inventory. Step number 1, identify and classify dead inventory. Step number 2, determine the best course of auction for dead inventory. Step number 3, implement strategies to prevent dead inventory in the future. Now topic number 11, 10 free tools for managing dead inventory. Tool number 1, ABC analysis. Tool number 2, inventory turnover ratio. Tool number 3, inventory aging report. Tool number 4, inventory optimization software. Tool number 5, inventory liquidation platforms. Tool number 6, inventory donation programs. Tool number 7, inventory recycling programs. Tool number 8, inventory audits. Tool number 9, inventory forecasting. And tool number 10, inventory collaboration tools. Now come to the topic number 12, which is beginner's guide to handling dead inventory. In this, understanding dead inventory, identifying dead inventory, how to identify. The first step in managing dead inventory is to identify which is item fall into this category. This can be done by analyzing your inventory data and looking for the following indicators: slow moving or non moving items, items that have not been sold or used for a predetermined period of time such as 6 months or 1 year, excess stock, item that you have in quantities far exceeding your typical sales or usage patterns, obsolete or discontinued products, items that are no longer being manufactured or supported by original suppliers. Strategies for handling dead inventory. Once you have identified your dead inventory, it's time to take action. Below are the some effective strategies to consider. Strategy number 1, sell at discount. Strategy number 2, liquidate through auctions or bulk sales. Strategy number 3, repurpose or remanufacture. Strategy number 4, donate or recycle. Strategy number 5, improve inventory management process. Under this, you can consider implementing better forecasting and demand planning techniques, streamlining your ordering and procurement procedures, regularly reviewing and adjusting your stock levels, improving communications with suppliers and customers.